Welcome to our class 11th. Today we are going to take the chapter that is linear inequalities. You have done the linear equation in your previous class. What does it mean? Linear equation. Any type of linear equation, suppose that 2x plus 3 is written and along with that equal sign is there, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That is a equation, isn't it? So if there is some equal sign in any type of expression, then that term is called as equation. आप कोई भी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने की बात करें तो इक्वल का साइन है तो ऑलवेज वी यूज टू टेल solve this equation. It can be linear equation, it can be quadratic equation or any one. Now the chapter is linear inequalities. What does it mean? Linear inequalities जो equal ना हो. And I am taking one example over here. Suppose that there are two quantities A and B. And these two quantities are of same material, of some weight. तो इन दोनों में अगर हमें comparison करना हो, what does it mean? How can we compare both the quantities? It means A can be equals to B, isn't it? And how will you compare further? A quantity can be more than B or A quantity it can be less than B. अब greater than B, more than B and this is less than B. Sometimes हम ये भी कह सकते हैं occasionally A equals B या A is greater than B. This is occasionally. And if we will combine these two together, so what result we will get it? A is greater than equals to B. देखो great equal भी आ गया and greater sign is also there. Same way if we will take this one. So occasionally if A equals B and A is less than B and if we will combine these two together, so what result we will get it? A less than equals to B. Is it clear? तो हमारे पास what are the conditions here? This is the first condition, this is second, this one is third and this one is fourth condition. या तो वो greater हो सकता है or it can be less than or it can be greater than equals to or it can be less than equals to. अब from these two result यहां पे वो एग्जैक्टली कह रहा है या तो वो बड़ा होगा और इट विल बी लेस. एग्जैक्ट, इट इज श्योर ओवर हियर. तो इस टाइप की इनइक्वालिटी मींस विच इज नॉट इक्वल, दिस टाइप ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी इज कॉल्ड एज स्ट्रिक्ट इनइक्वालिटी. स्ट्रिक्ट इनइक्वालिटी. Why it is strict inequality? Because यहाँ पे exact बोल रहा है, strictly बोल रहा है that either it can be A is more than B or it will be less than B. But in these two conditions, it is occasionally it can be equal also, greater or equal also, sometimes greater or sometimes equal. Such type of inequality is called as slack inequality. Slack inequality. So strict inequality, greater or less, and in case of slack inequality, along with greater or less, there will be a equal sign also. Is it clear? Okay. So all these type of 4 inequalities are related to linear inequality. But here the condition is, suppose that I am taking one example, 2x plus 3 greater 5, let it be. And in second case, minus 5x plus 2 less than 7. Now in this case, it is less or greater. So these type of inequalities are strict inequality. Strict inequality plus, since it has a linear equation, linear terms are there. Linear means it has variable having one power. So this type of inequality is also called as linear inequality of one variable. Okay. Now take any other example. Suppose that this is the inequality. It can be anyone. So this type of inequality, linear inequality of two variable. It can be strict or slack inequality. Okay. So I am taking one more example. Suppose that this is the term, expression ऐसे लिखा है. So what type of inequality it is? This is quadratic inequality. This is quadratic inequality. Quadratic inequality. Now to solve the linear inequalities, there are some rules which you have to follow it. We will discuss the rule one by one over here. Suppose that, or first rule is rule 1. First rule is, if in any type of inequality, if we will add same thing on both sides, if we will add, then there will be no change. There will be no effect on that inequality. What I have told? Rule 1, if same number is added on both sides of linear equality. Suppose that this is the example, like this, and according to rule 1, same thing is added on both sides. Same number is added on both sides, then there will be no effect. So we will add same on both sides. It will not make any difference. Okay. After solving it, you will get same answer. Rule 2. Rule 2 is, if same thing is subtracted from both sides, then also it does not affect the inequality. Same thing subtracted from both sides. Okay. So rule 2, suppose that this is the inequality, and if we will subtract same thing from both sides, Let it be equal, greater than or equal. This is also inequality. So we have subtracted same thing from both sides. Then also there will be no effect on the inequality. Okay. Now, rule 3. Rule 3 is, if we multiply with the positive number on the same side, on both the sides, multiply linear inequality with the positive number on both sides. Take this as example. If we will multiply with the positive value on the both sides, then also there will be no change in linear inequality. But if we multiply or divide, this is for multiply, this rule is true for multiply as well as for divide. Positive number, the number should be positive. But if we will multiply or divide both sides of linear inequality with the negative sign, ये multiply या divide with the negative number. Suppose that this is the number, and if we will multiply with the negative, then the sign of this will get change. अगर वो greater है तो less हो जाएगा, less है तो greater हो जाएगा. Look at one example why it happens. This concept you have done it in your 10th class also. Suppose that -2 greater than -5. -2 is greater than -5. Now we will multiply both the sides with -3. Both the side with -3. Let's see what result we will get it. Here you will get -3 and -2 6, and here you will get it 15. अब देखिए which one is greater? 15 is greater. So by multiplying both the sides with the negative, then the sign will get change. Sign will get change. Same for division also. Suppose that this is the number and you are dividing both the sides with -5, with the negative number. With the negative number, then the sign will get change. Okay, take one example. -6 greater -9 or +6. No, keep it as this. If we will divide it with the -3, let's see the result. ये cancel हो गया. This is also cancelled. So here you will get 3. Here you will get 2. And this you will get it as 3. So tell me, which one is greater? This is greater. So ये sign gets change, isn't it? तो rules क्या है? Equals are added on both sides of inequality, then there will be no effect. If equals are subtracted from both the sides, then also there will be no effect. If we multiply both the sides with the positive number, then there, or divide with the positive number, if we will multiply or divide, then also there will be no change. But according to the last rule, if we will divide or multiply with the negative number on both sides, then the sign of it will get change. Clear? यहाँ multiply किया, sign of greater or less will interchange their position. that you have to remember it to do the linear inequality solutions.